channel, this is Anagha and this video is about Sabudana Wada. Sabudana Wada is a popular street food of Maharashtra, crisp outside and soft inside, usually preferred during fast as this keeps a person filled and fueled for long hours together, as this is filled with the goodness of carbohydrates, protein and iron. So let's watch how to make this Sabudana Wada, and if you have liked it, do hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, do subscribe to my channel Anagha Recipes. Let's watch how to make this Sabudana Wada. For making Sabudana Wada, first we need to soak Sabudana, 2 cups, add water, make sure the water level is equal to the level of Sabudana and rest for few hours. Now add chilies, coriander, groundnut powder, sugar, salt, jeera, mashed potatoes, little curd. The Sabudana mixture has been shaped into vadas, and now we will rest this for 10 minutes in a fridge and then fry. So for frying, first let's add oil. Add oil enough for frying. Once the oil is warm enough, add the vadas. Vadas are ready, and now we will serve them. So here the Sabudana Wada is ready, and if you have liked it, do hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, do subscribe to my channel Anagha Recipes. Thank you.